I will be dealing with a very unique style of teaching of coding programs where in part 1, line by line explanation of each and every line of program using pointer directly in code, and in part 2 dry run in code itself. No need of traditional type of copy pen needed where we will see how computer does the dry run by itself. And in part 3 revising the whole concept again from part 1 of line by line explanation to part 2 of dry run of code by computer itself, and that too all in single video. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kushagra and today's topic is TreeMap. Okay, so let me tell you few points about TreeMap. It's like hash map is an unordered collection while TreeMap is sorted. So there is a difference, like in my previous video I have shown that hash map is the order in which the input has been given to the hash map. The same order is not being printed in the output screen. Okay, so the insertion order is not being maintained. Okay, but in TreeMap the order is maintained in the ascending order of the key. Okay, so what's the ascending order in the key? I mean, it's like if I am creating this TreeMap, okay, and I am taking integer as a key and string as a value in TreeMap, so it's like integer, so I will be definitely like give the input as a key in numerical forms, okay, like 1 2 3 4. So no matter in which sequence I use to input in the key, like first of all I have inserted 10, then 4, then 2, then 3, then 1. So in TreeMap this key will be sorted accordingly in the ascending order. Okay, so in TreeMap the insertion order is not being maintained, but actually the key is being sorted and that order is maintained. Okay, the keys ascending order is being maintained. Okay, so what will be the ascending in this key? Like first of all 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 10. Okay, so so it means like I am inserting A, B, C, D, E, but in TreeMap the key will be sorted accordingly in the ascending order. Okay, so the order of insertion is not maintained, but the order of ascending order of the key is being maintained. Okay, so there's difference. In like hash map there was no order maintained, no insertion order has been maintained, but in terms of TreeMap the order is maintained in ascending order of the keys regardless of the insertion. Okay, so there is not the insertion order, okay, but the ascending order of the key is being maintained. First of all the key will be taken, and if there is like a higher value than the previous, then it's okay. Otherwise, if the higher value is in the previous point and there is a smaller value in the next point, then they will sort it, and accordingly it will be sorted. Okay, in each insertion values. Okay, so it's like when I will insert A, it will be like the order will be like 10A, and when I will input like 4B, the order in the TreeMap will be like 4B then 10A. Okay, I will show you that all the things in the code itself. If you will see the output of this code, it's like you can see that the order of this is maintained. Okay, like you can see that 1 2 3 4 10. Okay, but we have inserted 10 4 2 3 1, but the value is shown to us, the output is shown to us like 1 2 3 4 regardless of the value. So the ascending order of the key is being sorted and then it's printed to us. Okay, so it's like let me show you this in the code itself, that how this value is being printed to you in each step-by-step manner. Okay, like the dry run process. So let's do the dry run with the computer itself. First of all, this line deals with the creation of the tree map. Okay, so this line creates the tree map. The first one is integer and the second one is string as a parameter for the key and the value. So the key will be integer and the value will be string. Okay, so it's like we will be inserting 10 4 2 3 1, that is numerical in the key, and a b c d or something like a string in the value. Okay, so first of all let's create this tree map with the help of computer. So let's create that. So it's like tree map has been created, the size 0 as it's like no value has been inserted to this tree map. So let's see that the tree map has been created with the size 0. Okay, so let's insert this first value with the help of this line, like this is the object dot put key and value. With the help of this line we used to give the input, we used to store the values in the tree map with the help of put. Okay, so let's insert the value a with the key 10, with the key as 10. So let's do that. We can see that now that 10 and a has been inserted. Okay, you can see that this 10 and a has been inserted as 10 and a. Okay, so as I have told earlier that the order of the ascending order of the key is being maintained, that the keys are sorted and then inserted. Okay, so it's like 10 and 4. So it will like first of all when I will insert this value 4 and b, so it will like sort internally 4 and 10 and then will store the value inside tree map. So you can see that it's like 10 and 4, 10 the value is stored in this tree map. You can see that 10 and a has been stored. Let's insert 4 and b as a next input. So you can see that there is a slight difference, that 4 has been sorted to upwards and 10 has been pulled down, because 4 and 10 has been sorted accordingly. As we know that in tree map sorting of the keys are being done in the ascending order. So 4 is small and 10 is big, so ascending order is 4 10. Okay, now let's print 2. So it will not be like 4 10 2, it will be like 2 4 10 now. Okay, so like it will be like 2 will be on the top. Okay, then 4 and then 10. Let's see that. You can see that 2 4 10. Okay, regardless of the input values. Okay, like it was we have inserted ABC, but you can see that CBA, the order have been changed according to the key as ascending order. Let's insert E. Okay, so you can see that all the keys have been sorted and placed inside the tree map. Okay, like 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 as a key and this has a value. So this has been sorted. Okay, this has been sorted, and this is the same way as we have used previously in the hash map to iterate through each and every values of the tree map, and will print each and every of that value with the help of while loop, with the help of iterator. So let's print one by one. You can also see that the value, the set has been taken as 1 3 2 c 3d 4b 10a. Okay, and it will be printed accordingly. So let's print first. It's like key 1 and the value will be like E. Okay, and then it will be like 2c. You can see that 2c has been printed, and it will be like 3d has been printed, and so on, like 4b and 10a. After the iteration has been completed, the code used to stop. Okay, so it's like this is the best way I can like show you how the code actually works. Okay, how the code works actually internally, and this is the like most effective way it's like it has been practical. It has been done practical, that if you will see the actual working of the computer from your eyes itself first, then you do the coding after that, then you have the remembrance of all the processes which are being done with the help of computer. Like you can see that in TreeMap, now you will be able to remember that in TreeMap the sorting of the keys are being done in ascending order, okay, regardless of the input order we are putting. But it was not in the case of hash map. Hash map, the order was not maintained, okay, the insertion order was not maintained. So now it will be very much clear to you, like you can like clear any of the interviews, any of the like logics, any of the codes. Actually you know the depth of TreeMap, hash map, linked list, array list. I have explained all these things, oops concept and everything. I have shown to you with the help of this trick. And I think if I have successfully able to make your sense clear for the coding, then please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks a lot.